Okay guys, this one, task building draw 1.5. Ito yung before, ito yung after. So tips, you may draw the task using square tool or right angle tool. Pwede F, pwede rin E. Don't copy the exact shape of the roof ridge. Itong roof ridge, ito yung kanina, yung bubong. Draw straight line for each side of the building. Hold control, then drag sidewall to bottom area to draw 3D structure. Okay? Actual task tayo guys. Ito. So, pwede E, ganyan lang. Ayan, tapos na. Pwede rin F. Ganyan lang. Ganyan. Okay na yan. Pero, ang hindi dapat gawin, ito, sinabi dito. Don't copy the exact shape of the roof ridge. So, ito yung bawal. If ganituhin nyo pag-draw. Ito yung hindi. Ito yung mali. Pag ginanyan nyo pag-draw. Yan. Mali. Mali yan. If pinapalo yung exact roof ridge. Yung parang rectangle sa bahay. Okay, delete natin yan. So, ganyan lang. Yan ang tama. Red horse. Okay. Hold control and drag sidewall. Ganyan lang. Okay. Tama na to guys. Submit na. Thank you.